Hey foodies. So today I've got quite the setup. I've got some pretzel dough here, baking soda water, and my pan I'm going to set it on. The pretzel dough came from this Ben Soft Pretzel baking kit. I just followed the instructions. Alright, I've got my dough. My countertop is greased. It said do not use flour to grease it. I'm doing something a little different than a regular pretzel, so I'm going to flatten my dough out a little bit. I had froze some broccoli and cheese soup, so I'm going to add that. Some extra cheese, because why not? And I'm going to take it and start pinching everything together to make a ball. It in the baking soda water, make sure it gets a good dip, and put it on your pan. Once you get them all in your pan, this is where you'd normally add salt, but I made garlic butter instead. Here's what they look like when they come out of the oven. They're a little lighter than a pretzel, but I bet they're going to be delicious. All right, y'all. I let it cool for a minute, but we're going to try this sucker. Oh my god. Mmm.